Here's a nutritionist approved 10 minutes meal. Let's go. I'm going to start by putting my pasta to cook. I'm using red lentil pasta. I already had my water boiling. They have about almost 30 grams of protein per serving, which is absolutely amazing. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. And they cook really fast. That cooks in 6 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna do a really quick tomato sauce. I'm going to chop some garlic. I'm also using a shallots because it brings a nice little onion taste, but it cooks a lot quicker than onion. Whew. They're really strong. A little bit of chili. If you don't have fresh chili, you can use chili flakes. I literally cannot see what I'm doing. I am crying. Okay. Let's go to the pot. Just adding a little bit of olive oil. Our garlic, shallots, chili. Just gonna wash some mushroom. You can use any veggies. I like mushrooms, they cook pretty quick as well. Draining the pasta. I'm gonna put that aside. We're gonna add the mushrooms and some olives. Italian herbs, salt and pepper. And we let it cook for a couple of minutes. I'm adding the lid so it cooks a bit faster. Okay, I'm just gonna add the passata. Now we have our beautiful tomato sauce here. We're going to add some baby spinach. Baby spinach is so good because it cooks in seconds and it's a great way to add greens to your meal. Just adding the pasta and mixing it all together.
Coming back. 2 seconds. Are you gonna pull it off?
Ta-da!
2.
Et voilà!
Wow.
Super delicious high protein pasta in 10 minutes. I'm still crying from the onions. Honestly, it tastes better than I thought. Just because I don't have like 10 minutes to build flavor is not much, you know. No, it tastes really good. So good.